Hey everybody, it's Chris Sheldon with A&R Supply. Just making a video today about an item that most of you Truckmount people are probably familiar with, and that is the waste tank shutoff float or shutoff switch. And what this does is it shuts the engine of the Truckmount off when the waste tank or recovery tank becomes too full. And this is so you don't get water and wastewater and junk going through your blower and heat exchangers and whatnot. But what I wanted to talk about today was the fact that once these break or they stop working, most people will replace them, and what most people don't realize is that you can actually repair these switches. There are repair parts available for these switches, and we do have them here at A&R Supply. So if you're ever in need of any, just give us a call. For example, the micro switch that goes inside of this switch assembly is available separately, and a lot of times this is what goes bad, and most of you who have bought one of these know how expensive they are. So just changing the micro switch, it could save you quite a bit of money right there. There are other parts available, the magnet housing, and again this goes inside of the switch, and I can show you that here in a bit, or the pivot arm. That's also replaceable, and even the body, the float itself, those are all available separately. So when you want to take this apart, there's 4 screws that keep this housing together, and I've already taken them out for the purpose of this video. So to take it apart, you take the 4 screws out, you undo this nut, and then this switch will just pull apart, and you kind of want to push on the cord at the same time. So once we're inside of it, you'll see where the micro switch goes. It goes right here. So basically, to get that out, there's just 2 screws. There's a screw there, it's a flathead. Then there's a Phillips head screw inside. So if you take those 2 out, this switch will pull out, the micro switch will pull out, and then you can just replace it in the reverse order and assemble it in the reverse order. So that's about it. Just make sure when you take the leads off the wire here from the switch, just make sure you remember where they go so you put them back in the same spot. So I just made this to let you guys know that yeah, you can repair these switches. Again, it's a possible cost saving for you. It just takes a little time. It's not super difficult. You just have to take your time and remember where everything goes when you put it back together. So as always, if you have any questions or you need parts or what have you, just give us a call. The phone number here is 505-872-9702, or you can always email me at chris@arsupplyco.com. I hope you guys got something out of this video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.